Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drones with 4K camera under $300. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. SMRC Drone with 4K Camera. Brand name, SMRC. Model number, Visuos NK1. GPS 1 key return to takeoff point, return with low power and no signal. GPS intelligent tracking image following, identify the shooting object and automatically follow the flight. 3. Gesture recognition, make camera gestures facing the camera within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft. Multi-point flight planning, the aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the players focus on shooting. Fixed point surround, locate the center and move the desired radius through the rocker. Share pictures with video, single or multiple options to share photos, video can only share a single time. HD wide angle 120 degrees adjustable camera, 4K HD camera, 50x zoom. 11.1 volt 2500 mAh intelligent lithium battery, 28 minutes of ultra long battery life. Number 4. FPV Foldable RC Drone. Item name, FPV Foldable Drone. Model number, 8811. Outstanding excellent flight performance, 4K high-definition pixel shooting, stable fixed-point hovering system, you can shoot more easily. 4K pixel electronic camera, 5G signal high-definition image transmission, 1000 meters remote control distance. Front camera, 4K 120 degrees wide-angle 12MP high-definition electronic camera. Video resolution, 2040 by 1080p. Photo resolution, 4096 by 3072p. Remote control distance, about 500 meters. Transmission distance, about 400 meters. GPS follow distance, 30 meters. Image follow distance, 1 to 5 meters. Battery for quadcopter, 11.1 volt 1800 mAh LiPo battery 150 grams. Maximum flying time, about 23 to 25 minutes. Color, white. Number 3. Gulski GPS Quadcopter with Camera. Brand name, Gulski. Model number, MJXB4W. Function, up-down, forward-backward, turn left-right, sideward flight, LED light, 4K camera, 5G Wi-Fi, brushless motor, track flight, follow me, gesture control, headless mode, 1 key to return. Altitude hold mode, point of interest flight, track flight, gesture photo video. MJX Bugs 5WB5W Professional GPS Quadcopter with Camera. 4K 5G Wi-Fi gesture photo brushless HD camera drone 20 minutes flight time. 4K HD wide-angle camera, 90-degree adjustable steering gear and 4K high-definition wide-angle camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning sharp and vivid images with expansive backgrounds. 5 grams Wi-Fi FPV with real-time images transmission and 300 meters FPV distance. The 5G Wi-Fi first-person view camera enable you to take aerial videos and photos with your phone and make a fun of a new perspective from the air to you. Intelligent flight battery voltage 7.6 V and capacity 2420 mAh. Maximum flight time 20 minutes. Number 2. OttPro 4K Wi-Fi Camera Helicopter. Brand name, OttPro. Model number, OttPro SJRC. OttPro Drone GPS drones with 4K Wi-Fi camera. Professional RC plane quadcopter race helicopter follow me racing RC drone toys. 500 meters figure remote control distance. GPS satellite positioning, 28 minutes endurance, GPS fixed point hovering, smart to follow automatically maintain a distance of 3 to 6 meters. 500 meters Wi-Fi map, 1080p high-definition electric adjustable 90-degree lens. 1,200 meters remote control distance, VR 3D model experience, mobile control, fly around point, out-of-control low-power homing. 2,500 mAh, 28 minutes of battery life. Number 1. Hubsan 5.8 GRC drone with camera. Brand name, Hubsan. Drone battery, 11.4 volts 3000 mAh. GPS in the device. FPV online broadcast. Follow me. Headless mode, intuitive orientation. Automatic return home failsafe. Automatic takeoff and landing. 3-axis stabilized 4K camera equipped with f2.2 aperture and 89 degrees wide-angle lens. Breaks the traditional aerial photography limits, whether you are swimming, climbing or contesting in a competition. Low power failsafe mode, flight control failsafe mode.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.